Hello guys, welcome back to another tips and tricks video, and today, as you know by the title, is about dry brushing. Now there's been loads of videos online, sorry about that, loads of videos online about this, but to keep my series going, I thought I'd do another video. I've got a few pieces that are ready to go anyway, so it works well for me, because I was going to dry brush these anyway. So what I've done is, these pieces have been primed, then given a metallic black and then a varnish, and then I've done some panel lining for some depth in there in the pieces. Now I want to dry brush and put some like little highlights and stuff like that. So first thing you do is get the paint that you want, and I'm just losing my mind now, I need a palette. Chinese lid. They're great things. They cut, you know, you get Chinese takeaway delivered, it's plastic, give it a wash, makes a perfect palette. Get the paint that you want. Right, so when it comes to dry brushing, there's generally a lighter paint that goes on a dark surface, that way you get to see it. You can go lighter on lighter if you like, just to give that essence of light and reflection on a surface. There is no rules, it's preference, you know, it's subjective. But I'm choosing gunmetal, which is slightly lighter than a metallic black, and it should highlight. So I only need a little bit, so I'm going to smush a bit on there, maybe a bit more. Now a lot of people, oh, you're going to waste paint, just wait. Yeah, well that's the idea. Now you get a bit of paint on your brush and you just take it off. Madness, right? That's a madness. What is this wizardry? It's because you're only, when you get a flat bladed brush, and you just go across the edge ever so slightly, just to highlight the edge. Now you can go mad and go nuts and make it look all weathered and scuffed, but trust me, if you do it slightly and gently, you can then, you've got more control. So you can go, yeah, that's enough there, that's fine. Just going across the raised edges ever so slightly. Getting shot. Just to pick up the edges. And you can turn it around the other way and go the other way. And it's as simple as that. Getting short, Rick. Now them edges have got like a highlight and they've got definition, like lights hitting them, so you know that it's a step, because it's already got the shadow in from the panel lining inside. Now the outside has got the contrast. Go along all the edges, swiping adjacent to the edge. And it sort of brings it to life. With very little paint. Oh, let's do another piece. Hungover so bad. I had a few beers last night, so I've got a Red Bull. I've already had some eggs on toast. Unfortunately, I can't drive to my nearest McDonald's. I do like a McDonald's burger to sort out a hangover. What's your hangover cures? You got any hangover cures you want to share with me? I could certainly use them. And it's just highlighted in there. Camera's crap, it's not showing it up, but there you go. Oh, almost landed in the paint. That would have sucked. Now, at first, it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but trust me, it does build up. And we do see it. There you go. It's really that simple. There's no reason why anyone can't do this. It's just a bit of paint, taking it off until there's bit like very minimal on the tissue, and then you go over raised edges. Oh, pardon me. Where it can gather up. So it's as simple as that, guys. Can't really go over any more. Flat brush with a flat edge, tissue paper, paint of choice, minimum paint left on the brush, swipe against the edges. Like I say, you can also you know, get a brush and just trim it really badly, so you've got like little hairs and irregular shape, and you can use that to dry brush to give you some other textures like scratches and bangs and scuffs and whatnot. But if you just want to like highlight edges and do subtle details, this is that method. And I hope you found this video helpful. It gave me something to do today. I'm going to do the rest of the pieces, put the back together, and tomorrow I'm going to be working on the funnels. This piece, these 6 pieces, and then I've got plans for the beam sabers. I'm undecided whether I'm going to paint Shah or not, but I might give it a go. But yeah, that's it moving forward, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.